You're seated in a bright Parisian cafe, laptop open, the buzz of conversations blending with the clatter of coffee cups. Denis Rothman's Transformers for Natural Language Processing is spread before you, revealing a secret weapon reshaping AI, the Transformer model. But what if you could peel back its layers, line by line, to not only understand but master this architecture? The book promises just that. How does a model originally built for translation become the backbone of today's AI revolution? Let's unravel that together. Before Transformers, AI wrestled with limited memory and long sequences. Rothman throws us into 2017, where a team at Google flips the script. In 2017, Ashish Vaswani and his team dropped a bombshell paper titled "Attention is All You Need." Unlike previous RNNs and CNNs, this model skipped the entire recurrent chain, using self-attention instead. Rothman walks you through how this stripped-down architecture ignited a new era, where models learned context by weighing words differently, making language understanding less about sequence and more about focus. Imagine you're in a packed theater, watching a play. Instead of remembering every line, your attention darts to key actors on stage, tuning out the rest. That's how self-attention works, spotlighting essential words while dimming others, revealing meaning without getting lost in the noise. Rothman likens it to a spotlight slicing through a fog, illuminating connections that traditional models missed. The payoff? Transformers don't just process sentences, they grasp entire documents. Suddenly, machine translation leapt forward, chatbots got smarter, and search engines truly understood queries. Rothman reveals how this shift turned language models from simple pattern detectors into powerful context masters, a leap that spawned GPT and BERT, forever changing NLP. Understanding theory is one thing. Rothman dives headfirst into implementing transformers, showing you how the abstract becomes real with code. Rothman doesn't just talk theory, he rolls up his sleeves with PyTorch and TensorFlow, walking you through building transformers from scratch. He recounts his first clumsy attempts, how initialization quirks and layer normalization felt like tuning a vintage engine. This hands-on journey demystifies the black box, turning confusion into clarity with every line of code. Then there's Hugging Face, the candy store for transformers. Rothman paints it as a welcoming shop where pre-trained models await your command, ready to plug in with a few clicks. Instead of building from the ground up, you borrow complex giants like BERT, fine-tuning them for your own tasks, a massive shortcut that democratizes powerhouse AI. To tame the beast, Rothman also introduces Allen NLP and tracks, frameworks that chain together components seamlessly. It's like assembling a high-tech car with pre-built parts versus handcrafting each bolt. These tools save time, reduce errors, and let you experiment faster, turning learning curves into launchpads. Mastering transformers isn't just about tech. It's a mindset shift, a new way to think about language AI and its possibilities. Rothman emphasizes how transformers flip the script by valuing context, not just order. Instead of reading word by word, models understand the whole sentence's meaning at once. This shift feels like teaching a friend to grasp your story's point, not just the words you use. It's a fundamental rewire in language comprehension, powering advances in translation, summarization, and sentiment. Scaling was the magic sauce. Rothman chronicles OpenAI's bold experiment scaling GPT models from millions to billions of parameters. Each jump unlocked more nuanced understanding and surprise capabilities, from writing poetry to coding. He shows how sheer size, combined with smart architecture, turns raw data into a creative forge. Finally, Rothman hints at the future, transformers as collaborators, not just tools. Picture AI co-writing your novel or composing music with you, elevating human creativity. This isn't sci-fi, it's today's horizon, where mastering transformers means partnering with machines for fresh, unexpected leaps. Back in that Paris cafe, you close Rothman's book with a new lens. What once seemed like a mysterious black box now feels like an intricate spotlight, illuminating language in ways you never imagined. Your next step: try fine-tuning a pre-trained Hugging Face model on your own favorite text. That single experiment bridges understanding to mastery, turning knowledge into real, powerful results. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.